Good morning, everybody. Having my morning cup of coffee with my nice little French press. Hope everybody out there is enjoying your day. So I'm gonna walk down through here through this bamboo, which I think is funny because I just the other day was thinking they need to move those because it's a trip hazard. Wasn't thinking, man, when we build all the way around back here, it's gonna be bamboo galore. But here's bamboo galore. Yeah, it's early in the morning. You see I still got them morning eyes. Yeah, Mel's gone and it's a long while for the workers to get here yet. Mel, she's out doing Zumba with her friends, a little Zumba and jogging morning with them. And me, I'm gonna walk on down through here, and while my mind's fresh and nobody's here, and look and think about today's projects. Get my nice quiet morning started here at this build site. Yeah, we are wrapped all the way around. We're wrapped all the way around now. All we gotta do is fill some gaps in the middle, go through and form up a few little places like right here behind me. And wow, we're going to be preparing for a major pour. So I'll give a little insight on that. When we pour all of this above and it's all cast in place and it's going through its curing process, but you can still walk on it. Of course, you'll be able to walk on it, just put human traffic on it because it's supported from underneath. We can go up here and start extending the steel on these columns, putting all the stirrups, preparing steel grids where walls are going to go and connect in between and be cast, and doing a lot of preparing like that. And so while we do all that, the concrete below is getting its strength, and then the time will come that we can pull all that material out from underneath. And what I'm hoping to happen is that I cast the walls and the columns and get up to that next level again. And then when we pull all this material here down from underneath here, most of it should transfer right up again to the top and be used right back in place. Literally pull an area off and transfer it up, and pull an area off and transfer it up. That is what I'm hoping will happen. We'll see. But the roof area up there should be a mimic to this down here on the most part. So I'm hoping it works like that. We'll see. Let's see what we got here today.
Still alive, bro. Bro, this is a halibut. Bro, this is a halibut.
Oh yeah, yep, halibut. Actually, how much they want for that halibut right there, Mal?
1 kilo. Palad. 2 kilo raman. Ito sobra 3 mo, no? Kira mo kaya kilo, ma'am?
May pira raw, makarak ko ganito rin yung.
Pero 1 kilo, metri po.
Wala ay marata nang pasag nga no.
It's nice, man. I really like these.
Hindi natin narang mo yan. Hindi lang. Kuwara, isa kang kuwara.
That's a good, but mini bone garing. Mini bone.
Yeah, a lot of bones in those. Oh, he's got two. We got a small one also. I didn't even see it. Small one.
Bro, still alive, bro.
Down there. Oh, we got to run away. I'm free. Cool. So it's $2.80 for this?
Yes, kilo.
Per kilo? How do you like to cook this, Mal?
I don't know how to cook that one.
You don't know how?
Sweet and sour, I know only know it's sweet and sour.
Actually, I really like this. I was just curious how you cook it. I didn't know if you're familiar with it or not, but I really like eating this fish right here. It's pretty good.
I think you cook that one fillet. I don't know.
wrench nearby, just use it. This vlog is not just a house building vlog. Texas Filipino is about our lives. It's about our life in the US and Melinda adapting life in Texas, and it's about our life of a foreigner here in the Philippines, adapting to their ways. It's about all the great things that we see and experience in between together, and it's about building a life together as a couple that we have. You know, we have some adversities we have to go through. We have cultural differences. You know, there's a little bit of an age difference. It's not too bad, and just things. And so this is a channel of our lives and our experience together. So some people have commented, oh, like I had one guy about the wood. I'm watching your build videos. I don't want to watch you make cooking wood. Make your wife some cooking wood. I mean, that log stuff it may not interest you, but it interests the next person, you know. And we're not a straight up building vlog. It is going to be, in the end, a playlist of many things in our lives. They're about to start building the forms underneath the center beam right here, get the spacer in it, then get it straightened back up. And they just did it over here in the next room as well. So this is the other downstairs room right here also, and you see they just did the same thing. Hey, where's he at? Yeah, the spacer's not in there, and I want them in there now. Oh, they had them there and just didn't finish it. Be hard. It's just if we let a lot of stuff stack that, oh, I'll come back to that later, I'll come back to that later, I'll come back to that later, you are going to miss those things and forget them, and we're going to be here all of a sudden doing a huge pour, and oh man, we forgot this, and oh man, we forgot that. You know, in concrete, it's got a time limit to work it, you know, so you can't have those mistakes. If you wonder about these spacers after we pour, right there, we knock them out, reuse them again. Okay, so I just go around and patch all those in. When we skim coat, it's like it's not even there.
Chili crab.
That's the chili crab right there. You didn't chop it as small this time, huh?
Huh?
You didn't chop it as small as before, huh?
Yes, yeah. I like to chop that one in the middle so that it absorbs the taste inside, you know.
It absorbs it up, soaks it up.
Yeah, soak it up.
Man, it looks good, Mel. Who's that for?
For you.
Crazy. Wow. Wow.
Ikaw, ilagyan na yung wala? Wala pa. Sige lang. Tapos 5 mo eh. Ay, hindi. Tigo 5. Sige, diretso. Hop. Okay. Wala pa, bilang. Puta na kahoy. Diyan na lang.
I need to this one here don't match. Yeah, I have to re-drill it though. It was hardwood too. Boy. It has been a busy day today. It is hard to deal with a camera and you got people working and knocking stuff around everywhere. It can be a challenge, for real. It can be a challenge. Looks like it's about to rain on us right now. It's starting now. But definitely been a busy day. Still setting electrical, still forming, and moving right along. You got that one covered. It's starting to rain. I think you think we should just put the tools up? It's 30 minutes away, and we'll start. Oh, my pipe! Whoo! Boy, we almost lost some pipes there again. Man, he turned around. That piece of plywood wasn't fastened on the wall there behind him, and it just come right down. Thank goodness it was hung by one bolt. It started raining, and we're hurrying to put power tools away. Here, Mop. Here's this one also. So let's go up here real quick before my camera gets too wet and show you a little bit what's been going on. It's been a busy day for me. Of course, we've continued with more electrical. Gotta be careful here climbing up this form. Soon there'll be stairs there. Soon. And as you see, they are moving across quick into these rooms. Look at this. Look at this. Man, the rain has just set in. And we pulled more electrical today. We did forming today. Mop and I and Marvin helping me a little bit. Those were my partners, mainly Mop. And like I say, we did electrical and some forming. We've got some places ready to cast some concrete into first thing Monday morning. Probably by 9 in the morning we'll be ready to do it. But look at this. It's the end of the day. They're just trying to stay underneath the tarp out of the rain right now. Look at this. Well, that's it. Rained out again. Thank goodness there was only 30 minutes left to the workday. Thank goodness for that. Still, it was another exciting day. I mean, look at all of that right there done. That is going to be all the floor to our master bedroom, master bath, and closet, walk-in closet. Man, that's awesome, you know. That is awesome. Okay, so tell the truth. Who picked up that 20 down there? Who picked up the 20 pesos? Wait. Who's the one that found the 20 pesos down there? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. You're trying to be quiet, huh? Huh? You keep that. I was a joke. I'm like, man, I'm gonna lay down 20 pesos. I'm gonna see who tells the truth.